Your Majesty, it looks as if your wife, our queen, is becoming more beautiful, even younger by the day. What is the magic behind it?
You can say that again in chamber now. The truth is, you know something? When a needle falls deep into the well, of course, so many people will look into the well. But only the few courageous ones that will be ready to go down for it.
That is true.
My wife has always been that needle, so precious and dear to my heart. So I treat her like a needle. So,
yes, you're right, my king. Your wife has been a wonderful person. She is such a woman with a bosom waist that attracts her husband to the extent of wanting to kill a goat each time he sets his eyes upon it.
You can say that again. Anyways, thank you for the compliment.
It's all right. Thank you for thanking me, my king. Trekking along my memory lane, I remember those old, good, beautiful days when men were boys.
Oh, yes.
We had nothing upon our tiny waist then other than sacks.
You're right.
But then we were freely running about underneath the moon, playing in our own form, and then sneaking our way out of every situation freely.
Oh, yes. Very true.
We have been wonderful. We have come a long way, and we have all been great. Yourself, my humble self, King Abba.
Ichie Mbana, listen. You can say anything in my palace, in my compound, but do not mention the name of that snake, for I do not want to have nightmares in my sleep.
Sorry, Your Majesty, please. Did you say nightmare?
You heard me loud and clear.
How?
The name of that man brings sorrows into my heart and soul. I don't want to hear his name anywhere around me.
Your Majesty, for how long will this last? How long?
As long as I breathe, so shall it be. You see, I am not a fool. You don't expect me to go back to a man who stabbed me, claiming he was blind. Do you expect me to go back to that man? Never.
Okay. Like I said, it is on that note that I want you to think about forgiving him. Because life is all about the past, the present, and the future. You should forgive him. Don't let it last forever. Have one thing in mind. The king, King Abba, has been a wonderful person. He has come a long way, has made connections far and wide, has made lots of wealth. He's been a great man. And you may have need for his help one time or the other. Anytime in future. You never can say. Remember also that it is said that knowledge is never complete with a man. Two good heads, they say, is better than one. I mean, two good heads. Not just two heads. Two good heads.
Now listen, let me tell you. I don't care whatever wealth he may have acquired. But as far as I am concerned, I will never need his help in my life. Not today, not in the nearest future, not ever. To be honest with you, I detest him. I do not want to have anything to do with him. I hate him with a passion. It will interest you to know that I will not need his help. Go and tell him that I don't need his help.
Even a very little drop of water creates its own endless ripples.
I should have known the father would do that.
No, it's not me. It is God.
Anyway, I am so glad that this reconciliation took place. What gladdens my heart the most is the fact that my bosom friend King Eze has finally decided to bury the hatchet.
That is very true. And that is because I am the true son of my father. You see, in the course of my existence, I have come to understand that everyone suffers betrayal at least once in his lifetime.
Oh, that is true. My bosom friend. We are friends who have become brothers. I did not betray you. I believe that what happened was a mere misunderstanding. It was a mere misunderstanding. Anyway, let's not go into that.
We shouldn't go to the past.
The past has gone. Let us come together and move forward for the betterment of our kingdom.
Yes. Honestly, I'm so happy for both of you. My humble king. You see, nothing can give me more joy than a day like this. Witnessing the reconciliation of both of you. My best friends.
That is true.
All these years of the past that has to do with malice and grudges, at a point I felt like a child having an empty space somewhere at the center of his heart. I was neither here nor there. At a point I became confused. I was scared concerning the questions people could ask me. Where do you come from? What will I say? Where will I start? How do I explain the mystery of two best friends automatically turning out to become the worst of enemies to themselves? Over a very little matter. A misunderstanding that could have been settled long ago. Well, we have been very good friends from childhood. All of a sudden, both of you allowed pride to get into your head and take over your reasoning. But we shouldn't go to the past. Nevertheless, I'm so grateful for a day like this. I would like to appreciate both of you for the courageous steps you have taken today. Thank you so much. You've made me proud.
Thank you very much. All that wouldn't have been possible without you.
Oh, I couldn't agree less. Abana has always been a strong-willed man who gets what he wants.
No matter the time it will take him.
Yes.
He must make sure that that task is accomplished.
Abana, you got this one. Well, Abana, I must appreciate you for what you have done for this reconciliation process. And I promise you that in this kingdom, as a reward, you will get a chieftaincy title.
King, has he got into that?
Oh yeah, of course. You are deserving of it.
Oh, who am I to reject the request of the king? To say no to the request of the king?
King Eze, I greet you. I must say that I am very happy to be in your palace once again after a very long time.
Yes.
And I must say that your palace is looking beautiful and wonderfully made.
I honestly couldn't agree less. But the truth is, you're welcome to my palace anytime, any day.
Oh, thank you. I must reciprocate by telling you that you are also welcome to my palace anytime you decide to come around. Yes. Anyway, I came to visit because I have something very important to discuss with you.
I am already listening.
Good.
my bosom friend, King Eze. Papando one. Well, I've just been thinking that this reconciliation we had was a very beautiful one. I am pleased. I'm glad that it took place. However, I have a suggestion. I would like us to cement this relationship further by giving out our firstborn children in marriage to each other. That way, this relationship will be further cemented. It will become deeper, and then it will be more appreciated by everybody. It will be written in the sands of time that two great kingdoms came together and formed a unique bond.
Well, my dear friend, you have spoken well, and I quite agree with you. That way, the both kingdoms will be strong, and they will be more respected by all the communities around. That way, we are going to walk through challenges together. I quite agree with you.
Thank you. Welcome. I am glad that you agree with me on all this. One more thing we must do is to go back to our respective kingsmen and elders and household and inform them of this development so that they will be carried along.
Oh yes, that is very, very important. But more importantly, we need to consult the gods for their blessings. Yes, before this marriage will commence. And I know that this is going to be a marriage that will be talked about by all communities far and near.
Certainly, certainly. To say that I'm excited is an understatement. I am elated. I am overwhelmed.
You can say that again.
One more thing that I suggest is that when these plans have worked out, I promise to cede to you 5 hectares of land. Wow. Right from the Jumeji tree until across the border to my favorite spot where I like to stay. Wow. This way, it will show that both kingdoms have interlocking destinies. And not just that, it will be written in the sands of time that we came together.
That is very, very true. In fact, this is so lifting. I must say that I am so elated. Thank you very much for your kind gesture. The gifts and everything I appreciate. Sincerely, silver and gold have I none. But what I have, I will give to you as well. I will give you 15 of my best warriors.
Whoa! This is great!
Oh, yes.
Human gifts! What can be more than that?
Oh yes, you can say that.
I appreciate it, King.
Thank you.
And I pray that the gods will guide us in our various quests.
Yes, sir.
This union will be great.
Exactly.
King Eze.
My king, don't you think this is a bad idea? King Abba shouldn't be trusted here. Besides, would you really want to give out your daughter in exchange of land and a gold crown?
You know, I don't like it when you begin to sound this way. Who said anything about a change here? Listen, the marriage has nothing to do with the land or the gold crown. Those were just harmless gifts.
Really? Harmless gifts, you
yes.
say? My king, you and I know that is a very big lie. He is just trying to make sure you agree to his terms. Come to think of it, isn't it suspicious that he could suggest such a thing and is doing everything possible to make it pull through?
I don't agree with you. I think you are just overreacting. You should know that King Abba and I have been friends right from childhood.
I know. But that does not stop the fact that he is manipulative. He is out to something.
You know what? I think I want to be left alone. I want to be left alone so that I'll do some critical thinking. So, can you please leave now?
Truly, you need to think. My love, my intuition does not fail me. You know it. That is one of the reasons you married me. Think about it. Listen to me, please. Excuse me.
My friend, I am the happiest person alive. Ask me why.
Happiest person? Why? Have you not heard?
Heard what? That the boat is now settled in front, no longer at the back.
Really?
Anyway, the long fight between the kingdom of Odata and Owada has ended. Finally, I can have Prince Kamsi of our dark kingdom to myself.
In your dreams. Keep dreaming. You can only get Prince Ikenga, the drunkard, and Prince of Pamwa.
The gods forbid that.
Oh, we shall see.
We shall see.
Keep dreaming.
My beautiful princesses, the pride of my womb, the ones who bring only joy and happiness.
Mother, you have started again with all your praises.
But it is true.
The beauty and backbone of our kingdom.
Oh.
Of course, sweet mother. You are the one that brings pride to us.
Thank you, my angels. Well, I invited both of you because we need to talk.
Okay, about what? I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. Your father has brought to my notice that he has agreed to settle the long war between us and the neighboring community, Adonta. And to seal it up, they agreed that King Abba's son will marry you.
Marry me? How? How does that relate? Marriage and reconciliation?
Yes, mother. How do they relate?
Okay. If you marry King Abba's son, it will seal the relationship. Then if both of you bear children, we will now have blood relationship. And we all will be one big family.
Mother, I don't know what to say. Besides, I don't even know the king's son.
Gradually, my daughter. Gradually, you will know him. I want you to know that I am with you all through this journey. Okay?
Thank you, Mother. I really appreciate. But has Father concluded plans and decisions about the marriage?
Not yet. He is still waiting to hear from the gods.
My king, what is the verdict from the gods?
Oh, the gods have been so gracious to us. They have blessed the land of Adonta and Awada bountifully too. And their graciousness was extended to blessing the marriage between our son Kamsi and the daughter of King Eze.
May it be so. What the gods have blessed, who am I to object?
My plans are falling into place.
Exactly.
You don't want some wine?
No.
Okay. Well, my son, I had to ask for your presence because I'd like to let you know that the time has come. The gods in their infinite mercy have spoken, and it is our duty to obey the instructions of the gods.
I do not understand, Father.
Well, I will be clearer to you. The gods have approved your marriage with Princess Adonta. And what that means is that we will proceed with the marriage.
As you wish, Your Highness.
I'm glad you're happy. Son, I don't know how wise you are, but I want to believe that as soon as you become the next king of Awada, that is after I have gone to be with my ancestors, that you will rule this land very well. And your marriage to the princess will help matters. It will bring more wealth to you, not just you, but the entire Awada land.
Okay, Father. So it is not about reconciliation after all?
Well, I wouldn't say that. There are sometimes you talk about diplomatic takeovers. You don't have to win by fighting wars. The kingdom of Adonta is rich enough, and when you marry the princess, her own wealth will be added to yours. Because the king of Adonta, King Eze, has only 2 daughters. When he's gone to be with his ancestors, his wealth will be divided into 2. Half of it goes to each of the daughters, and by virtue of your marriage, you will acquire half of the wealth of that kingdom. That is called royal overtaking.
Great people of Adonta Kingdom, I bring you good news. The dispute between Adonta Kingdom and Awada Kingdom has finally been settled. Furthermore, the king has decided to give the hand of his daughter in marriage. Come and celebrate. Great people of Adonta Kingdom, I bring you good news. The dispute between Awada Kingdom and Adonta Kingdom has been settled. Furthermore, the king has decided to give the hands of his daughter in marriage. Come and celebrate.
People of Awada Kingdom, I bring you good news of the reconciliation between Awada and Adonta Kingdom. And thus today, come out, let us jubilate. May the God be with us. People of Awada Kingdom, I bring you good news of the reconciliation between Awada and Adonta Kingdoms. And thus today, come out, let us jubilate. People of Awada Kingdom, I bring you good news.
It is indeed a beautiful day, and our land is blessed. I am so happy that my sister will be getting married, after which I will be the next. I can't wait to fall in love. I can't. Afọlum gị n'anya, ife gị atọbugo m, mụ na gị ga-ebi, obi m mụ na gị ga-ebi, mụ na gị ga-ebi, nke m mụ na gị ga-ebi. Afọlum gị n'anya, ife gị
Sorry. I didn't mean to startle you.
It's okay.
Why are you here all alone? Why? Wait! She has a nice voice. Wow. Wait!
Maid. Now I want you all to listen good. I want this palace to be thoroughly clean and sparkling for my daughter's marriage introduction that is coming up in 14 days. I don't need to remind you that the entire kingdom and all the neighboring towns and villages will be in attendance for this introduction. I want to use the occasion to tell everyone that I remain King Eze, the lion himself, so that when they are leaving, they will talk about me for days, weeks, and even months, because this marriage is going to be bigger than the ones they have ever seen. So I want you all to take care of this palace thoroughly. Is that understood?
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. You can go back to your duties.
Never in my life have I seen a man so handsome. I don't know how long he stood and watched me fool myself. You must think of me as a lunatic. I mean, I was singing and dancing all by myself. It's about to rain. I have to go home.
Are you telling me she just ran away like that?
Yes, my friend. And I just stood like the earth just pinned me to himself.
Oh, that's strange. But anyway, just forget about her, okay? You need to concentrate on your upcoming wedding. You're getting married in 12 days' time.
Anyway, let the will of the gods be done.
I just feel you should concentrate on what's more important. That's your wedding.
It's been 2 days. Yet I still see the same man in my sleep. I think I am losing it.
Calm down, young blood. You don't have to worry over things like this. You are in love.
How do you know that? I mean, I know nothing about this man, not even his name.
Do not worry yourself, dear sister. Love has nothing to do with identity or place of origin. Come on, it's written all over you. You're in love. Give me a high five. Give me.
How do you know all that? Have you ever been in love?
You do not need a soothsayer to tell you when one is in love. When you are in love, you would feel it. When you feel it, you will know it. It's just for you to accept it into your heart. Look at you. You're blushing. Look at you.
Hold on, please, do not go. Come. Please, I mean no harm, okay? I'm sorry to scare you. I didn't mean to chase you away. Okay, I'm sorry for the other day. I actually came in search for you. I just want to be a friend. Please, accept my apologies.
My name is Ada. I come from Adunta.
Okay, my name is Kamsi. I come from the neighboring village. I am happy to see you again. And I'm here in search for you.
I'm sorry I ran off the other day. I was embarrassed you saw me singing.
Shy? No, you don't need to be embarrassed. You need to be free and happy. You need to sing like no one watches. You need to love like never been hurt. You need to be yourself. You need to dance like no one is looking at you. Okay? We need to live like we live in paradise.
Wow. You're such a wise man. Where do you come from?
Thank you, beautiful one. Thank you for that compliment. But I want to assure you that where I come from does not matter now. What matters to me now is love. I am in love with you.
I think I love you too. And yes, you're right. Where we come from does not matter. It does not define who we are.
I love you. There's a song I brought, so listen to. Yeah?
Okay.
Just listen. You love it. You love it. The song. You love it? Huh?
This is too much for me. My first kiss. I love this man so much. I have found the one. Yes. Bless the gods, I have found the one. I can't wait to tell my family.
Wow. Both of you are so excited. What's up? According to you.
Mother, we are always excited and in good spirit.
I know, right?
Yes, I agree with my sister. We got this good thread from you. Indeed, you raised us well, Mother.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, but yeah, this glow on your faces. What's going on?
Okay. I am finally going to meet my betrothed tomorrow.
Oh.
And on the other hand, my sister here is in love with a stranger.
Stop. He's not a stranger. Well, Mother, I was going to talk to you about it, but I was waiting for the marriage to be over.
I can't wait. I'm curious. Tell me now.
No.
Alright. There's nothing much to know about him. He lives in the neighboring community.
Where exactly is he from and who are his parents?
Mother, do you want to choke her with all these questions?
I need to get the correct information about my prospective son-in-law.
I know, Mother. But I need some time. I just met him and we are still trying to know ourselves better. I haven't even told him I'm a royal blood.
Why?
I don't know. I don't just feel the need to yet. And I don't want to scare him away.
No. You have to make me a promise that the next time you see him, you will tell him who you are. You don't need to hide yourself, okay?
I promise, Mom. My queen.
Yes, my dear.
The queen of our land is here to see you.
Really?
My betrothed's mother. I am so excited.
Tell her I'll soon be with her.
Come on,
Thank you.
Personally, I'm so delighted for a day like this. It is a special day indeed in our kingdom. I am so privileged to witness the reconciliation process of both kings and their families. It is a remarkable day in our kingdom. And my prayer is that may our chief continue to guide, bless and protect us all now forever. You are welcome.
Thank you.
I want the queen!
Yeah.
I want the queen!
Yeah.
My able king. I am really very happy that this thing is happening now. The gods are really behind us. We are indeed making bold steps. It shall be well with you, my king. I want the queen! I want the queen!
Well, that is very true. Today is indeed an exceptional day in the history of this kingdom. I want everybody present here to enjoy and celebrate with us, as it is the marriage introduction of Prince Kamsi here and my beautiful daughter, Princess Chioma. My queen.
Yes, my queen.
Please go and bring our daughter.
You are welcome.
Here she comes. Oh. I don't know what I'm wearing. Yeah. I don't know what I'm wearing. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Wow.
What is it? My king, what's going on? What is this? A princess! Princess! My king, can someone explain to me what is this? What?
Why did the gods allow such happen to me? What did I ever do to deserve such disappointment? That my own blood sister is getting married to the man my heart beats for. No. I just want to end this pain I feel right now. I don't think I can survive it.
Princess, it's okay. You will survive it.
It is well, my princess. Everything will be fine.
Leave us. My angel, what is this I'm hearing? One of your maidens told me that you have not been speaking to anyone, let alone eat. Okay, talk to me, I'm here. What is it?
Mother, please, let me mourn and sorrow in peace.
Mourn? Who died? Huh? May the gods forbid. Talk to me.
There is nothing to be said, Mother. Mother, please, I beg of you. I would like to be alone.
I will let you be on one condition. That you will put a smile on this pretty face of yours. Then eat your food.
So that is more than one.
I know. Please.
Okay. I will. This that will make you happy.
That's good. To see you smile again, to see you happy again. Alright, darling. I'll take you with me now. I'll take you to your room. Okay? Come, darling. Come.
I do not understand what is going on. Nobody is saying anything, nobody is talking to me, yet I need answers.
Your Majesty, I am as dumbfounded as you are on this. But I promise to get to the root of this whole thing.
Please do, because I do not have all the time in the world.
I don't understand Adanna at all. You know, she has not spoken to anyone or eaten anything since that day. And I'm worried about her health.
Honestly, I am more than confused. I don't know what to tell my elders or my people about the sin that was created.
You don't need to be confused, my lord. I know the gods are with us, and they will definitely give answers. I'll let you be for now.
what did I ever do to deserve such embarrassment from you? Is it a crime that you're making?
Father, it's not what you think. I am in love with Princess Adana, the younger sister to Princess Chioma. I initially wanted to go on with the marriage plans, just to please you. But I don't think I can go on with it.
Shut your mouth, you fool. What do you know about love? What do you know? How dare you stand before me here and for me that kind of rubbish in a fool's language? Woman, speak to your son. Speak to this thing you call son. Let him repeat what he said.
Mother, I shall not go on with the marriage plans. I'm in love with another. I am in love with another. Her younger sister whom I met at the stream. Father, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Woman, listen to me. Don't just stand there wailing like a fool. Go after your son and give him some advice. Talk some sense into him before I do something stupid. Now! What is insolence?
Ada, I am your only sister, and you're scaring me. What is it? Talk to me.
Honestly, I do not know what to say to you. I am shattered. My heart screams in pain. Why must it be this way?
Why must what be what way? Talk to me. Everyone in the palace is worried about you. Can you please just say what it is?
Forget it. No one would understand.
The problem shared is half solved. What is it? Talk to me.
How do I explain that the man my sister is getting married to is the same man I met at the stream and fell in love with?
No, that is not true. There must be a mix-up somewhere.
I thought so too. But it is true. My dear sister, please, I beg of you, do not proceed with the wedding. If you do, I will die. Prince Kamsi never told me he was a prince. Please.
You know that what you're asking of me is totally impossible. What would I tell Father is my reason?
Just tell him anything, but please don't do it. Please.
I'm sorry. I'm not going to cancel the wedding.
It's no longer a news that the palace is on fire.
Fire? You always come up with funny stories. What do you mean this time?
I wonder if you stay under me. Or are you deaf? So you want to tell me you've not heard rumor flying around the villages?
Open your eyes. Both princesses are fighting over one man. Just one man. And the palace is on fire. Wait, how do you mean? And how are they fighting over the man?
I've always known you to be stupid. I never knew you were this dumb.
Oh, please, hold it there. Definitely, I will accept any form of insult from you, but certainly not this one.
It's okay, both of you. Anyway, If I must clear it out, they are both fighting over one man, Prince Kamsi.
Which prince? You mean to say Prince of Awada?
No, Prince Kamsi of Ikotepene, Ewu Gambia. Anyway, I can't wait for them to stop fooling themselves so I can have my man to myself.
Dreamer.
This girl.
How could you? How could you, my own flesh and blood, bring tears to my eyes and pains to my heart? Why?
Stop it. Stop, okay? I never meant for all this to happen. I love Kamsi and...
He is my betrothed, and I will marry him.
Never. Tom, I am begging you not to do it. Don't do it. Please, no one has to know that we are here. I came here today to finally end things. My sister insists on getting married to you. And
Ada, stop this. Stop it. I would never think of doing that. I can never marry any other person but you.
I am confused. I don't know what to do.
I assure you, all will be well. Okay? Okay?
What nonsense are you talking about? What do you mean Princess Adana is in love with Prince Kamsi? Prince Kamsi is getting married to Princess Chioma and not Adana. So I don't understand. What exactly are you talking about?
My king, I don't understand too. Few days ago, Adana came to me and told me that she fell in love with some stranger. I never imagined it was the same person who wants to marry her older sister.
What an irresponsible young man, I must say.
My king, please, cancel this wedding and save our family.
No. It is too late, my queen. The marriage between Prince Kamsi and Princess Chioma must go on. Yes, what I want you to do at this time is to call Princess Adana and talk some sense into her. Don't forget, this is marriage we are talking about and not some hide and seek game. Do you understand?
Yes. My princess, I greet you.
Greetings, Ikenga. I am sorry. I do not have time for your chit-chat today.
My princess, wait, I have some words for you. The matured feather of an eagle will always remain pure. You're so pure, my princess. Yet, your eyes do not see what they have for you.
How do you mean? Who are they? You speak in the language I do not understand.
She is asking. Those who defecate in the night always see the ghost grasshopper. I, Kenga, I am the eyes and the ear of this village. Be warned. Do not say I did not pay you. He who has ears, let them hear. If you see my Angelina, tell am so.
My love, what is it? You're not bright enough.
I just met Ikenga the drunk, and he said a lot of things I find confusing.
You don't need to argue with a drunk. Do not let that spoil our moment.
I won't. I have missed you, but I also feel sad over our predicament.
Then we'll have to do it like I suggested. Tomorrow at dusk, let us go. Let us run away to a faraway land where we can start all over again.
But our family will be hurt, especially my sister, your betrothed.
My love, look into my eyes and tell me you don't feel the same thing that I feel. Tell me you don't feel the love that we share together. We've shared our bodies together. You are now my wife. And I'm ready to fight for our love. Yes, I'm ready. Let us run away to a place that we can start afresh.
I'm so happy you invited me here. I'm really sorry about what happened during our introduction. You know, it's just kind of funny. You look like a strange man that my sister claims to be in love with.
Chuma, that is why I've called you here. I am that strange man. And I've grown to love Princess Adana very much. I cannot go on with the wedding. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I have to follow my heart.
No. No, this is not happening. This is not happening. Am I dreaming or something? Please.
Stop crying, okay? I'm so sorry if I've hurt your feelings. I didn't mean to do that, but it cannot happen. I have to follow my heart. Okay? I'm sorry.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Please sit down. Princess Adanna, I called you so we could have a tete-a-tete. It is said that a stitching time saves time. You know, at this critical point in your life, you need to make specific definitions so that we don't make a mistake that we will all regret for the rest of our lives. It is said that the flies that refuse to follow advice follows the corpse to the grave. You are my daughter. I want the very best for you, just as I want the best for this kingdom. Now what am I trying to say? Prince Kamsi of Awada Kingdom belongs to your elder sister. And I want you to understand that the gods have blessed their marriage already. Now whatever secret affair you were having with him before is now in the past.
I truly love him.
Listen to me, my daughter. What we are talking about here is far, far more than love. And as far as I am concerned, you don't know a thing about love.
What we are talking here is the reconciliation of two great kingdoms that has been at war for so many years. This certainly is not a time to display emotions. I want you to understand that.
Listen, the gods have blessed their marriage. And by virtue of my position as the king of this kingdom, I have blessed their marriage already too. So I want you to understand that. That will be all for now.
I'm deeply sorry about how I reacted. I should have done better. You are my flesh and blood, and I can't hold anything against you. I forgive you.
I forgive you too. I'm very sorry if I hurt your feelings. I want you to always remember that I love you.
I love you more. Come here.
Fools, that is what you are, all of you. You mean to tell me that my daughter just disappeared into the thin air? How do you explain to me that nobody in this palace knows the whereabouts of my daughter? How do you explain that? Do I employ you in this palace only for you to eat my food, drink my wine, and get fat? No! That was not the reason I employed you. Now listen to me, all of you. I give you till nightfall today to produce my daughter. Else, if you dare to produce my daughter, I will behead each and every one of you, and I will not even spare your children and your families. But I am capable. Now get out of my presence, all of you. Get out! 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 Out, all of you! Get out!
I'm tired though. I'm very tired. We have searched and searched for Princess Adanna, yet we can't find her.
Were you deaf? Didn't you hear when King Eze said that we should not come back to the palace unless we find Princess Adanna? They say you are tired.
But can we kill ourselves?
Oh yes, we can kill ourselves. I can't go to back to that palace without finding Princess Adanna. Let's go and search.
See, if I perish, I perish. The king can kill me for all I care. I'm tired and I'm going back.
My patience is running out. The guards are yet to find my daughter. I don't understand whatever that is going on right now. What have I done wrong to deserve this kind of punishment from the gods? The gods that I've been serving diligently all my life. Why?
My king, I warned you. This whole reconciliation has brought nothing but confusion to our family. Maybe if we cancel this wedding, our daughter might come back.
Oh, watch your tongue, woman. Watch your tongue. Be mindful of your utterances. This is not the kind of advice I would want from you at this point in time.
Our daughters are no longer in talking terms. Tell them we don't need the reconciliation anymore. I mean, what else do you want it to happen for you to know that it is a bad idea?
Would you stop, woman? I just warned you to be careful of your utterances. I just did.
Our daughters are no longer in talking terms. Think about your family. Our family, that is all I beg of you. Please. It's been 30 days. 30 days of searching for my child, yet no results. I'm so worried. Worried sick. No one should be made to pass through the pain of looking for one's child. Broken into pieces.
Mother, you can only look for who wants to be found. I tried to talk to Ada, but she chose to be a coward and run away. You need to brace up. The truth is, this is reality and we have to face it, difficult as it may be.
Well, I know what to do. I think what I need to do right now is to consult the gods to know if she's still alive.
Oh, yes.
That is exactly what I will do.
Yeah.
God! Go over to the priestess and invite her to the palace at once.
Excuse me.
My queen, you have to take it easy. Wait. See, let us hear from the gods. Then we'll know what next to do. He hasn't got into these things.
Yes, go back to the palace. I'll take the message to the priestess myself. Hurry up, yes.
My guy, I think you should forget about Princess Adana. She's not yours. She ran away, proving she's not interested in you. Why don't you just focus on marrying Princess Choma? She's the older sister. And you stand to gain more if you marry the older one.
I'm sick and tired of all of you trying to be selfish. Why is it not love at the first place? Is Adana that I love and want to marry, not Choma? Is that too hard? After all, they are from the same family, so they can actually switch.
Switch? You talk about switch like they are mere market commodities. See, focus on the one that have been betrothed to you. That's Princess Choma. I will not support you in any other way. And I'm sure your father won't support you either.
All of them are birds of the same feather. Yes. Just tired of this whole thing.
My king.
Yes.
What next? Do you really think that King Eze would love to proceed with the marriage plan? Especially now that Princess Adana is not still found. Honestly, to me, I don't think it's wise for him to go ahead.
I don't know why you want to worry yourself about that. After all, Princess Adana ran away on her own volition. Nobody forced her away. Moreover, she was not the one earmarked for the marriage to Prince Kamsi in the first place. I mean, so her running away has nothing to do with their marriage.
What is the reason she ran away? Whether you like it or not. Truth be told.
Listen, Queen. I know King Eze very well. He's my bosom friend. He will never go back on his words, not especially after this reconciliation. He won't want anything to taint his image. He has to. He will agree to the marriage proceeding.
Finally, my plans are beginning to work out exactly how I wanted to. I have succeeded in taking my stupid sister out of everyone's mind. And I have also made them believe that she ran away. Very soon. Even my father is so upset and angry that she brought us disgrace and shame. Very, 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 very soon, she will be completely out of everyone's mind. Then, I will Prince Kamsi.
Long live your highness. I must say, I am sorry for the disappearance of your daughter. But the marriage plan must continue. The gods have spoken. My friends, it's no longer news that Princess Adana has chicken out the fight. Yes, of course. She had to. Definitely when no one supports her love for her sister betrothed. What do you expect from her?
It was also said that she was jealous about her sister and Prince Kamsi. So she saw Prince Kamsi by lying against Choma.
That is not true. Princess Adana is a respectful girl, loved by everyone in this village. The truth is, Princess Adana and Prince Kamsi met at the street, not knowing their identity, and they fell in love.
Oh, what a sweet love story.
I bet the fate is from God. There's no such thing as fate. Let's stop this gossip, please. Don't go. Let's carry our salon.
These people don't care about us. All they want is for this wedding to take place.
My queen, I perfectly understand how you feel. But then again, I think there is another angle to this whole thing. By that I mean, if this marriage proceeds, wherever Princess Adana is, she will come to understand that as far as this matter is concerned, there is no turning back. So it therefore means that sooner or later, she will come to terms with the fact that she has no choice than to come back home. You understand what I'm saying?
Are you kidding me? No, you did not just say that. My goodness, how could you say that about your own child? Am I disappointed? Yes, I am. You're so carried away with material things. Excuse me.
But you see, well, it doesn't got into that. My queen, excuse me. See, what I'm... Excuse me.
It still bothers me so much that no one is pointing finger at that witch Chioma.
Why would anyone suspect our own blood sister? For crying out, what are you saying?
Blind. You all are blind, just as Ikenga said.
And who is Ikenga?
How many Ikenga do we know? Ikenga the drunkard, of course. Oh, now I know you now drink with Ikenga. Now I know. I better still leave, okay? Because I know I've been talking to a drunk.
Look at her. That's what we're saying. You can imagine.
Therefore, Princess Adanabi, the hefty men have not been able to find her.
Come to think of it, looking now gonna Prince Kansi is hiding her for their own personal interest.
That cannot be possible. Have you seen Prince Kamsi lately? He looks so worried and sick. The other day I saw him walking as if he had no life in him. I even feel sorry for him.
Then what could have happened to her?
Instead of asking me that question, let us channel the energy into finding her. Did you not hear what the king said? If we don't find her, we are dead. Please, take that way. Let me take this way.
Princess! Princess!
Kamsi, how long will you remain this sad? Come on, man. Come on. Look, there's no need inflicting pains and sadness upon yourself over something you have no control over. I am very sure Princess Adana will be found alive. She will be fine. Huh? No need of being sad, okay?
I hope she comes. Because if she does not, I will never forgive myself for putting her through this pain. Cost her all this?
No.
Edu, please, I am not in the mood to speak to anyone now. Please.
Come on, it's not your fault. You have no control over this. See, take it easy with yourself, okay? She will be found alive. Come see.
Why have you decided not to talk nor relate with anyone? Why have you chosen to hurt yourself this way? Princess Adana has left you. Fine. She has decided she's not going to marry you. Fine. Is that the end of the world? Why are you hurting yourself this way? Crying like a child whose sweet is taken away from him? Come see. You're my only son. My flesh and blood. I cannot afford to lose you. Please, put yourself together. Don't give your father, the elders and the entire community the impression that you're not man enough to become the king. Go ahead with your marriage plans and forget about Adana. Please. Come see.
Elders of our kingdom, I I invited you here so that we can deliberate and look for a solution to the problem that is facing us as a people. As you already know, my younger daughter, Princess Adana, ran away from the palace and she has refused to come back. Now, as a result of this sad incident, our elder sister's marriage has been put on hold indefinitely. This is something I cannot do alone. That is why I have invited you, so that I can share in your ideas and wisdom on how we can solve this problem as a people. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty. First and foremost, I have to thank you once again for at least honoring your elders and giving us the opportunity to share with you. Yes. Thank you. I remember my father used to tell us in those old good days that no one tree makes a forest.
Oh, yes.
No matter how fat the tree is. And also that when one man cooks for the crowd will finish the food comfortably. But when the crowd cooks for that same man, that man will never finish the food. So I am of the opinion that let us exchange ideas, let us dig deep into the matter, do the best we can, and arrive at a conclusion that will be positive enough before sending a message across to our friend and new family, the Awada people, so that they equally can deliberate on the matter.
That is exactly the reason I called for this meeting.
Your Highness, let me render my sincere apologies for the disappearance of your beautiful daughter. Your Highness, I further suggest that we proceed with the festival and the marriage. When Adana sees that there is nothing that can be done about the situation, she will definitely return.
You have spoken well.
Oh, yes.
But I suggest you wait a little longer.
For how long? People need answer. People are speculating out there. How long will
I agree with you. Because we all know this, that it is better to bear the water before it gets to the ankle. Delay is very dangerous. We can go ahead with whatever plan or whatever we want to do. Because if we delay, things may go out of hand.
So, what exactly are we agreeing on? What do we do? Take this message to King Aga of Awada Kingdom. Tell him that I send my greetings to him and his household. Tell him also that I have agreed to the marriage festival.
Kamsi, my son, a word of advice for you. He who fights his father today will in the future fight his son. I have spoken tirelessly on this issue, and so has your mother. By the time a man realizes that his father was right, he always has a son who believes that he is wrong. You may think you know it all, but at the end of it, you will be a fool with zero wisdom. I have spoken, and this will be the last time I will address this issue. Now, go and prepare for your marriage with the princess of Adonta. And that is final. Leave my presence.
Where could he have gone? It's been 3 days now and Kamsi have not returned. What have I done to deserve this pain and embarrassment? Gods of our land, take my life in exchange for the peace of this land. I cannot live and watch the palace and the entire kingdom in shambles. Please, bring back Kamsi safe and sound. Please.
Mama, this is so right. You're going to bring him back.
Alice! Alice! Get out! Where's that thing you call your son? Because I'm sure that he has no trait like me. He doesn't even exhibit anything that looks like me. He is a fool and keeps bringing down my name and everything I uphold. What rubbish! What irresponsibility! Leaving the palace just a few days to his marriage? Where did he learn that from? Now, let me tell you something. If he ever wants to be the next king of Awada Kingdom, then he must heed advice and return home immediately. Else
what? Else what? I've had enough of your threat. He's your son as well as mine. Besides, you and your wicked elders are the cause of all this happening. If you did not force him to marry because of your selfish reasons, we would have still had a happy family. We lived all these years without Adonta Kingdom. Nobody cares whether they were in good terms with them or not. So why the rush? Why? If you do not open your eyes to see that this reconciliation is doing more harm than good, you better open your eyes. Because if I do not find my son, I will live with them.
How dare you! How dare you! What kind of...
I'm sorry, my king. Now all of you listen. Listen and listen very clearly. I want you to turn this kingdom upside down. Look for my son. Search for Prince Kamsi and bring him back to the palace. Don't come back if you do not find him. Did you hear me?
Yes, my friend.
Now move at once. Are you trying to say there is nothing you can do to save the king?
I urge you not to fear, my queen. But turn to the gods, I shall take my leave.
Wait. Please, do not mention this to anyone.
Yes, my queen.
Yes, who's there?
Greetings, my queen. Someone is here to see you.
Someone? A man or a woman?
A man.
Okay, I'm coming.
Right.
Chinedu,
My queen.
I sent for you because you're Kamsi's best friend. And you know he's missing. Now before you deny it, I want you to understand that Kamsi is my son. And I love him so much. I want the best for him and the entire kingdom. I beg you in the name of the gods, please, talk to him to come back. Tell him to return and take over his throne. Please.
My queen, I swear by the gods, I do not know where Prince Kamsi is. It even came to me as a shock when I realized he has disappeared. I do not know where he is. But I promise you, my queen, I will do everything possible to look for him and bring him back to the palace.
My friend, never did I know that something as despicable like this would ever happen in our kingdom. The prince is missing. What? Exactly. Keep quiet. Ada, a maiden who works in the palace, confided in me. She told me everything emphatically. This is not a gossip. And guess what? The royal guards have been silently looking for him everywhere, every nook and cranny of this kingdom. The Queen Mother is very angry. What even strikes me most is the king has been indisposed and only the queen visits him in his chamber. What? A lot has been happening in this kingdom that we do not know about. Of course, it's not a shameful thing that a whole king-to-be could leave the palace without anybody's consent. But, Tajumanya, I feel so bad for King Abba. I pray he wouldn't die. Because if he do, that means the kingship will be taken away from his lineage. Bam! Exactly my point. There is nothing hidden under the sun. Everything will surely come to limelight. Absolutely, there is nothing hidden under the sun. Everything must come to limelight.
I warned you all, but you never listened to a king. You said a king, I said drunk. Ah! Me drunkard. There's even more to come. You all suffer. We always would we suffer for ignorance. always suffer for ignorance. This evil one will come. Don't worry. Don't worry. It will come. It will come out more than you all expect. If you see my Angelina, hell, I'm so I'm in love. If you see my Angelina.
What are you doing here? And how did you know I'm here? I hope you didn't tell anybody I'm here.
Why would I do such a thing to my best friend?
Though I'm very disappointed in you. You left without telling me. You had this plan all this while and you didn't inform me? So you just woke up and left just like that?
Exactly what I did, because I was sick and tired of every single body around there.
Anyway, your mother is devastated. She sent for me and she actually accused me of knowing your whereabouts. She pleaded that I begged you to come back home.
No, you're not. You're not. Because nothing will make me to go back there again after all they did to me. I am not going back there. It's their turn to feel what I felt. Follow me.
My queen, prepare yourself and the household for the death of the king. I shall take my leave.
The palace has not been the same without your presence. The king has been seriously sick, and the whole burden has been on the queen, your mother. You must come back home.
Sick? What could be the problem?
No one knows, but it's serious. The queen has tried her possible best to keep it a secret, but the rumor is everywhere. You have to come back home.
But what? Talk to me.
You have to come back home before the king joins his ancestors, so you could take over the throne. But like you know, you must get married first.
have I done? What have I done to deserve this, Lord? Goods of our land, why have you chosen to turn your back on me? Oh, my children are all falling sick at the same time. What did I do? Hey.
What's going on? Why is everybody running like mad people? I just saw some people running astray. What's going on? Tell me.
How would you know what is going on? How would you know what is happening when you are a witch that is eating up all her babies?
Why can you say something now? Why are you saying that now? I just asked a question. Why are you saying that?
If you want to know, follow me. If you want to know, you follow me.
What are you running? What are you running? What? Everybody is running. I'm Magidon. Me Kenga. Let me run. I better die with the
My king, I woke up this morning and saw my children and husband sick. I did all I could, but to no avail. I do not know what to do again. Hence I decided to come to you. Please help me. Please.
My people, I urge you to be prayerful and strong in a time like this. I have heard your complaints, and I promise to do something about it. Meanwhile, I advise you to go back to your loved ones and take care of them.
Please, he will help us. Please, 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 my king, please help me, please.
Like I said, I will do something. Please do what I say to them.
Let's go.
I'm not drunk. Am I? Huh? Am I drunk? I'm not afraid of the king. I'm not afraid. It's just that. I would have told him how foolish. Very big fool for him. For not knowing that there's a problem in the world. If only that foolish thing had known. If only he was. This plague that has befallen the old and young.
Desperation can plant the seed of war into the ocean of peace.
If you see my Angelina, tell I'm so I'm
Chima and Chelika. Tell us, who stole my drink? Come here. What the hell are we? Chima and Chelika.
One day, I still don't understand why the land will be plagued by the gods. What does it mean?
My brother, if you ask me, when you come maju,
that's true, sure. It's well with us. It's well.
Have fun now, my guy.
What?
Have fun now, the thing now.
Which thing now? Cook?
I'm hungry now. We'll be your house.
You like need too much. Go in and fix yourself something.
Go and go to your house. Go and bring food.
Your Highness, the gods are angry with the land and they demand blood sacrifice. 7 goats must be brought for the cleansing. Once the period begins, I urge everybody to stay at home. The process lasts for 11 days.
Your Majesty, can't you see it? It's getting worse. When you think the whole thing is ending, another one comes up. Please, let us cut off every tie with these people and remain the way we used to be. One big, happy family.
Listen, my queen. I can assure you that I know exactly what I am doing. Please calm down and be patient with me. Everything will be well eventually, that I know for sure.
I hope so too. I also want my children to come back home healed and
The gods are angry. And they demand human sacrifice to cleanse the land.
I need you to go see the priestess. Tell her you were from me.
You're welcome. Take this. Drink from it.
Drink it? Why?
Because I ordered you to. Drink it!
Hey, yes, my dear. Let me help you. Okay. You're trying, man. It's almost finished. I will help you. Very soon we'll finish. Hey, my God, I thank you. Our land is sealed again. So, Chukwu Kikeke Nengi. Hey, Chineke Emeka. Eh?
Mama, I thank God.
My son, I thank God for your life. Eh? Hey, let us finish. Let me make these fine beans for you, eh? Okay. I know you like it a lot. You'll enjoy it. Don't worry, I'll put plenty of
It is with great sadness that I reveal the prince of our kingdom has gone missing. Whoever has information about him can visit the palace. I also implore the inhabitants of our land to put in prayer to our neighboring community at Donta as they suffer the plague. It is with great sadness that I reveal the prince of our kingdom has gone missing. Whoever has information concerning him should visit the palace. We should also put in our prayer to our neighboring kingdom as they suffer the plague.
Finally, the gods have brought you back.
The gods, you say? Which gods? Where were the gods when Adana left? Where were the gods when Adonta suffered a great plague? Why didn't the same gods heal Father from his illness?
Shut up. Shut up! What is wrong with you? How dare you question the gods? The same gods that kept you when you went to who knows where. If not for the interference of Chinedu, who knows what your next stupid step would have been? Karasi, do you think this palace is a joke? You better start preparing to become the king.
What are you looking at?
What did I ever do to deserve such embarrassment from you? It's the crime that you made.
Father is not what you think. I am in love with Princess Adana, the younger sister to Princess Chioma. I initially wanted to go on with the marriage plans, just to please you. But I don't think I can go on with it.
Shut your mouth, you fool. What do you know about love? What do you know? How dare you stand before me here and vomit that kind of rubbish in a fool's language? Woman, speak to your son. Speak to this thing you call son. Let him repeat what he said.
Mother, I shall not go on with the marriage plans. I'm in love with another. I am in love with another. Her younger sister whom I met at the stream. Father, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Woman, listen to me. Don't just stand there wailing like a fool. Go after your son and give him some advice. Talk some sense into him before I do something stupid. Now! What is Solem?
I have failed my father for way too long now. And I must do all that is needed from me. Adana never loved me. I sacrificed all I had for her. All for her to live. Without stopping to see how I'm feeling.
My love, what is it? You're not bright enough.
I just met a king at the drunk. And he said a lot of things I find confusing.
You don't need to argue with a drunk. Do not let that spoil our moment.
I won't. I have missed you. But I also feel sad over our predicament.
Then we'll have to do it like I suggested. Tomorrow at dusk, let us go. Let us run away to a faraway land where we can start all over again.
But our family will be hurt. Especially my sister, your betrothed.
My love, look into my eyes and tell me you don't feel the same thing that I feel. Tell me you don't feel the love that we share together. We've shared our bodies together. You are now my wife. And I'm ready to fight for our love. Yes, I'm ready. Let us run away to a place that we can start afresh.
I am so happy you invited me here. I'm really sorry about what happened during our introduction. You know, it's just kind of funny. You look like a strange man that my sister claims to be in love with.
Choma, that is why I've called you here. I am that strange man. And I've grown to love Princess Adana very much. I cannot go on with the wedding. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I have to follow my heart.
No. No, this is not happening. This is not happening. Am I dreaming or something? Please.
Stop crying, okay? I'm so sorry if I've hurt your feelings. I didn't mean to do that, but it cannot happen. I have to follow my heart. Okay? I'm sorry. Sorry.
Before your throne,
hold on. Please, do not go. Come. Please. I mean no harm. Okay? I'm sorry to scare you. I didn't mean to chase you away. Okay, I'm sorry for the other day. I actually came in search for you. I just want to be a friend. Please, accept my apologies.
My name is Ada. I come from Adunta.
Okay, my name is Kamsi. I come from the neighboring village. I am happy to see you again. And I'm here in search for you.
I'm sorry I ran off the other day. I was embarrassed you saw me singing.
Shy? No, you don't need to be embarrassed. You need to be free and happy. You need to sing like no one watches. You need to love like never been hurt. You need to be yourself. You need to dance like no one is looking at you. Okay? We need to live like we live in paradise.
Wow. You're such a wise man. Where do you come from?
Thank you, beautiful one. Thank you for that compliment. But I want to assure you that where I come from does not matter now. What matters to me now is love. I am in love with you.
I think I love you too. And yes, you're right. Where we come from does not matter. It does not define who we are.
I love you. There's a song I brought, so listen to. Yeah?
Okay.
Just listen. You love it. You love it. The song. You love it? Huh?
This is too much for me. My first kiss. I love this man so much. I have found the one. Yes. Bless the gods, I have found the one. I can't wait to tell my family.
Personally, I'm so delighted for a day like this. It is a special day indeed in our kingdom. I am so privileged to witness the reconciliation process of both kings and their families. It is a remarkable day in our kingdoms. And my prayer is that may our chief continue to guide, bless and protect us all now forever. You are welcome.
Thank you. I want the queen. Yeah. I want the queen. Yeah. Praise you. My able king. I am really very happy that this thing is happening now. The gods are really behind us. We are indeed making bold steps. It shall be well with you, my king.
Well, that is very true. Today is indeed an exceptional day in the history of this kingdom. I want everybody present here to enjoy and celebrate with us, as it is the marriage introduction of Prince Kamsi here and my beautiful daughter, Princess Chioma. My queen.
Yes, my queen.
Please go and bring our daughter.
You are welcome.
Here she comes.
I don't know what I'm going to. I don't know what I'm going
I was ready to turn my back on everybody just for her. But today, all that changes.
I am going to be the next queen.
And I must act wisely.
Marriage between Prince Kamsi and Princess Chioma will be in 5 days' time. Be prepared to celebrate with the royal household. Great people of our kingdom, the marriage between Prince Kamsi and Princess Chioma will be in 5 days' time. Be prepared to celebrate with the royal household.
I do not think we should continue with that marriage plan.
I think it is too late, my queen. This is 6 months now and we've sent words out. You know me. My word is my bond. And that word I have given to late King Ada. So what do you expect me to do?
Stop being selfish and think about your daughter. Your lost daughter.
Lost daughter, you say? She practically ran away from the palace. And if there is anybody to be addressed as being selfish, I think it's Princess Adana and no one else.
I thought I was the only one. I really miss Princess Adana.
Just you. We all felt that way, my dear. Princess Adana was such a nice person. We really miss her presence in the palace, though.
I think we should go back to the palace now.
Okay, let's hurry up.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. You will give this letter to Prince Kamsi of Awada. Enough goodies for you. Make sure you keep it on the low. No one must hear of it.
Thank you, my princess. Greetings, my prince.
How are you?
I'm fine. Here's the letter for you, my prince.
Letter for me?
Yes.
How do you know I'm here?
I saw you passing, then I followed you.
Who gave... My love, I am deeply sorry for everything I put you through, and I hope you can find a way to forgive me. I made a mistake when I said I love you. I have realized my mistakes, and that is why I left, to be with the one I truly love. Do not search for me, as I do not want you to find me. Please be strong and go ahead to marry my sister, Princess Choma. Have a blessed day.
Of our land, I have come to speak for your assistance. Please restore our land, cleanse our kingdom, and purge us of every evil.
Honestly, I'm very happy you finally overcome that obstacle and you're prepared to get married. Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you, my brother. But what do you expect I should do when someone I love says I should go on with my life and forget about her?
To be honest, I was shocked. I was shocked she could say such a thing. But all good. You're getting married, so forget about that. It's gone. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations to the next king of Awada Kingdom.
Thank you so much.
My man.
Hey, keep that one. Don't you have respect for your elders?
Who is the elder?
Congratulations,
my friend. Congrats, huh? Okay.
I love you so much. Thank you for making me happy. Why are you silent? What's wrong? Did I say anything or do anything wrong?
Ada, I'm sorry, Choma. I have to leave now. It's getting late. And I'm tired. Let's go rest.
This your special day, I bless you. As you're going to your husband's house, may the gods lead you. May they bless you with wisdom to rule your home. May they bless you with love and friendship. May the gods bless you with children. You will have a lot of children. The ones I did not have, you will have. I am proud of you, my daughter.
Thank you, mother.
As you get to your husband's house, remember everything I taught you and your sister. Do not forget me. Make me very proud.
Mother.
You have always been a good girl. Continue. Come. I will miss you.
I'll miss you too.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mother.
I am indeed grateful today because the gods have finally given us their blessings, despite all that happened. But it's quite unfortunate that my great friend, King Abba, is no more here. He has gone to be with his ancestors. But I know that wherever he is, he died a fulfilled man.
Yes, indeed. I am happy on how far we've gotten.
My condolence once again, my great queen.
Thank you so much for everything.
Welcome.
You don't need to thank him. We are now one family.
Oh yes, one big family.
Somebody help me! Oh, my child! Help! Help!
Your Highness, I have good news and bad news.
I already know the bad news, so feed me with the good news.
He breathed.
I don't understand you.
He was alive for a few minutes. He cried in my arms, unlike the other children that were born dead.
What is the meaning of that? I need an answer. This has been going on for too long now. 7 years. For 7 years I do not have a child.
The bad news. I'm sorry I've been keeping this away from you for 7 years now. The thing is, every child that was born had this little mark at their back. And the strange thing about it is that It keeps reoccurring every time. So I decided to let you know. And I want you to see it.
For 7 years I have nothing to show for it. No heir to the throne. I do not know why the gods has decided to punish me. To put the shame on me. I did all that they asked me to do. I don't know why all this are happening. No. It is not going to happen this way. I have to know why the gods are angry with me. I really need to know. God, summon the chief priest immediately.
Okay, my king.
Very fast.
Greetings, the mouthpiece of the gods.
Greetings.
The king demands your presence at the palace as soon as possible.
Well then, tell him I will be with him in a few days.
Thank you, the great one.
Owaka kisi emme. Owudaka kisi ebindo. Igabu nwogu maga na ifu ojiji yara ifu ochicha yara. Ọ ga-adịkwara gị njọ.
Tell the truth, even to my grave. I need to sneak to my hometown and go see the chief priestess and beg her to lift my evil sister's curse on me. I need to bear children for my husband, the king, to make him happy and love me more. Yes, that's what I'll do.
It years ago. That Chioma, she's the witch that killed her sister. That is why God has not given her her own child.
Don't say what you don't know. The gods will give her her own seed in due time. Are you tired of saying what you don't know about? Please, I don't want to be part of this gossip. I'm going to my husband's house. Excuse me.
Your Highness, may you live long. Your Highness, the gods are angry. And it is hard to understand why. But I see the blood of the innocent shed. I see anger. I see deceit. And they are all crying for justice. Your Highness, I need to commune more with the gods so that I can understand everything.
I'm pretty sure you know why I'm here. Don't try to play smart. Whatever plan you have must be cancelled. Don't step on the lion's tail.
Chioma, your end has come. You evil woman. I give you 3 days to review yourself, or I will do it myself.
You will do no such thing.
We shall see then.
Very well then.
Chioma, esokwe m je atụghị aja. Esokwe m je atụghị aja. Akwa sị na ị na-eme nsiri na-agwụ aja. Iji eme aja na igbuola nwanne gị. Chioma, ị ji agọfu agụgọ nshi ka ị ga-agọnwu agụgọ aja ngwa na ebe ọ sị na ị naghị eme. Chagoga na-aga agụgọ nshi ndị be anyị ihe mere na o so ya o. Hey! O ruole!
My king, don't worry about all these things. Soon the gods will smile at us and blessings will rain.
Blessings? Were you deaf to all the great chief priests said about the anger of the gods caused by the city?
I wasn't. I mean, we are not guilty of anything, so we shouldn't worry. Our hands are clean. I can't see. Somebody help me! I can't see. Go. Go and get me water. Go and get me water.
I've done what I have to do. I should take my leave. I believe it's only the gods that have the final answer.
Just calm down, okay? Calm down.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my king. It was all jealousy. I'm sorry. It's because of the love that I feel for you. I told my sister that I had a surprise for her, and then I lured her to where 2 boys I arranged with kidnapped and supposedly killed her. Where are we going? I already told you before I have a surprise for you.
A surprise, you say? Where are we going this far without our maidens?
What is it with all these tantrums? Can you just be quiet and follow me? Or are you now scared of your sister?
No.
Let's go. Come on, you love it.
Come in. Just comply without a sound. Follow me slowly.
Stop! Don't move. Follow me! Move!
Just keep coming.
Move!
I've always known that Chioma girl is a very wicked girl. Living all these years, knowing fully well that you killed your own blood sister because of a man. And yet she's happy. God forbid.
It's a deed of shame.
I never expected it. All I pray is that Princess Adana is okay wherever she is. Come to think of it, why would she even come back? Coming back to do what? When her sister wanted to kill her, her family was not in support of it. I just pray she's found. I pray so too. Meanwhile, I need to attend to my husband. Huh? Okay. I need to get going. Okay. Take care. Bye.
Princess! 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 Oh God! Princess!
The seed
of war into the ocean of love.
Princess! 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 Princess!
Complete 3 days now. We have not gotten useful information about Princess Adanna. Nobody knows her whereabouts. Nobody knows. But it's like the chief priest made a mistake. Yes. Yes.
What are you saying? Don't you ever say that?
Are you trying to say the gods don't know what they are saying? Yes. Because I'm tired. I know.
Do not be afraid, my children.
Wait. Where did you come from?
Do not fear. Go straight to the stream. There you will find solution to what you say.
The stream?
What is wrong with you? Fucking tired.
Finally, we have reached the boundary of Nabe. Thanks to the gods. May the gods help us locate Princess Adanna. Yes.
Yes, we must find her.
Yes.
Please, we should at least find a place, find a shelter, or even food, or a place to rest.
No, there's no time. There's no time for that. Let's go. No.
I'm tired.
Let's go. No, we can't rest.
You said we should go.
No.
You say?
Actually, no, Mama. We came from far away kingdom of Awada.
And why did you take people so long to come?
I don't understand. Do you know who we are?
Of course, I do. Come and sit down.
My children, Adana told me 11 years ago that you people will be coming here. I don't know why it took you people so long to come.
Mama? You mean Princess Adana? Please, how can we see her, please? I mean, we want to see her, please.
Calm down. Calm down. There ain't no do. My children, 11 years ago, I lost my husband and my son to fire incident. I moved into this place all alone, but I have my farm at the backyard just to keep myself busy. My children, I was a heartbroken woman. Oh, I don't have anybody to talk to, nor to run to.
I'm very sorry.
On a certain day, I went to the farm. I saw a lifeless body. So I thought that I was weak and hungry. I took her in. There and then she explained to me her ordeals. How she fell in love with her sister's betrothed unknowingly. She happens to be the chosen one. Her sister finds out and planned on how to eliminate her. But the gods were with her. They did not kill her. Rather, they made her to swear never to come to our kingdom anymore. Adana, this has been going on for quite a long time now. Huh?
Take off your clothes. I said, take off your clothes.
Now!
You heard him.
Give it to me.
Now run. Run as fast as your leg can carry you. And never look back. Yeah, you get me right. Move, yeah.
So we let her leave.
Yeah.
We have to lie to Princess Chioma that we have killed her.
Okay. Now listen, wait.
My daughter, please. This is not just an ordinary sickness. It's a woman kind of sickness. Is there anything you want me to know? Please talk to me.
Mother, I am confused. I don't know what to do.
Confused about what? Let me tell you, you see this child you're carrying, it's going to bring success to you. It's a reward for your love. This child will bring you happiness and joy. Become one. And please cheer up. Child.
You're right, Mother. This child is the reward for the hatred and jealousy I received
But I know that one day they will come for me on their knees.
Sure, they will.
One day they will.
Cheer up, you know? Please go and check the soup in the fire, you know?
I caused my sister Choma that her womb will bear no fruit. She will lose happiness and sleep. I caused you, Choma.
Don't worry.
I caused you, Choma. Your womb will bear no fruit.
Sorry, let's go. Oh, sorry, one more. Let's go. Karama, let's go. Sorry, let's go.
Today, I bless you, my son. I bless you with all the good things of life. You are the light that will shine. No evil shall come close to you. Today I name you Onochie Nkizizi of Adunta.
Really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Thank the gods that provided the food. My children, you need to rest and freshen up so that tomorrow we shall talk. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
the seed of wine to the ocean.
My people, you're welcome.
Your Highness.
Today indeed is a great day in this kingdom. Yes. And today I reunite with my son. Although I lost his mother in the cold blood of death. But the gods decided to bless me with another seed. In front of everybody today, I want to denounce my marriage with Shoma, whom brought nothing but shame, sorrows, pains in this kingdom. She allowed her jealousy and envy to take over her heart. And today the enemies has caught up with her. So tomorrow, we are going to throw her into the evil forest. Yes. So, Ne, I want to thank you so much for what you've done, for taking care of this boy for many years, just like yours.
Thank you, man.
You tried so much. I'm going to ordain you personally as his own mother.
My pleasure. Thank you.
I want us to put hands together and train up our children not to be zealous and jealous over people's things. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. So today, I welcome my son. My son.
Of love.
I want you to make it known to the whole world, far and beyond, that King Kamsi now have a son, the heir apparent to the throne. Make it known to the whole world.
It is well with you. It is already.
Oije.
You have to thank the gods.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
Oh no. Oh no.
Well,
it's a good one. My son, I will never forgive her for separating you from me all these years. She's evil and she deserves to die.
No, Father. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. I choose to forgive her on behalf of my mother. Let the gods be the judge of her action.
It's okay, my son. I'm proud of you. No.
My king.
Thank you so much for all you've done. May the gods continue to bless you.
Can plant the seed of wine to the ocean. of peace, desperation can plant the seed of war into the ocean of peace. Desperation can plant the seed of war into the ocean of peace. Desperation can plant the seed of war into the ocean of peace. Desperation can plant the seed of war into the ocean of love.